can see here, closets to the right. Close the door. We've got some closet spaces here to the right. Newly renovated carpet on the Magic here. And a nice little sitting area for us. You do have a coffee table and a couch there. Our beds, as you see, they got some new artwork on the wall. Good for them. Put some stuff into these when they updated the Magic. And of course, what I just told my wife a minute ago, still got the little TV on the wall. Yep, it's tiny. Let's walk out to the balcony and see what we can see since we are in Miami. Whoop, whoop. And there she is, downtown. But looking back out at the waterway. Hey, look at that icon of the seas now. Well, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick little tour of the balcony and our room. And again, newly renovated carpet. The Magic has done a few things when they had this guy in dry dock. So now coming around, the very last thing as I pass by my beautiful wife is to show you the bathroom. And this is pretty standard, most bathrooms. Here we go, open it up. And you have the shower with the curtain. And then you have a nice little toilet there and some counter space. And of course, both up top, space for all your stuff. That is your Carnival Magic balcony room. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a blessed day.